is not a loud bird. As the green-cheeked conure, that's kind of their demeanor. They're not very loud kind of birds. But the conure mutations, like the turquoise conure mutation and the pineapple and sun and whatever conure, the green-cheeked conures, purebred green-cheeked conures and fancy green-cheeked conures like Randy are more the quiet of the group. So, even with that, he can, when he wakes up, he makes sounds on his cage like old tings, and that disturbs my sleep. So I've devised a plan. In the other room, I have Randy's big cage, but in this room, I have his, as I call it, his nugget cage, where he has his little tent and his little food and water, and it's his nugget cage and his travel cage, and it's in a different room, so in the mornings he would not wake me up, even though I kind of wake up early. He is even earlier, so that's why it's in here. He wakes up when the sun wakes up, and I don't, so that's that. And Randy is ready for bed. There you go, buddy. Here you go. Are you gonna attack me when I go in? Yeah, went to attack mode. Yeah, Randy in attack mode. It's deadly. He's like, don't you dare touch my cages and my property. Get off my property. That was a little reference to Fuzzy Lumpkins from the Powerpuff Girls. Get off my property. Yeah. What'd you find, an almond? Yeah, I gave you an almond a couple days ago, so maybe that's the remnants. Okay, yeah. Well, Randy, I am going to turn out the lights and let you go to bed. All right, good night.